You didn't knock! You didn't knock! Come on! Come on! You didn't knock right You f***ing retard. Fuck this. Are you supposed to ask the question, dipshit?
Oh yeah, what's it like living in Gold Bar nature trails?
It's like having a mini politic.
Huh.
You see that donkey over there? Kicking the elephant's ass.
Sir, there's nothing over there.
You want some medication or something? There's something definitely over there. Okay! You see him? You see him? Hey. You see him? What the f***? You're more blind than a bat!
So, sir, would you like to run us down on your day-to-day life at Gold Bar Nature Trails?
I sleep. I eat. I sleep.
So, would you like to bring us through your day-to-day lives and the places you do it?
Usually, well, I normally go to bed on, like, in my bed, but I end up on, like, the floor, my cat on me, scratching my eye, but...
What happened to your lips, sir?
Life. Can't you tell?
Sure. So, would you like to show us where you sleep?
Up your Irish ass and to the left.
So, would you like to show us your trailers and your living conditions?
That's Mega Beast 1. Fuck trailer 2.
So anyway, would you like to show us your first trailer?
Okay. No, this one's top of the line. Jacob North Point has its own little separate office, so you know.
Yeah.
That's where I can do my Tinder dates. And then... God damn, dude, you need to squash that mole. That's all I see in my life now. God damn it. Anyway. Come in here. I have a few dogs. Dog sitting for one of my friends right now. No. Top of the notch, Jacob North Point. Medium of the road. Very nice. Want some pickle juice?
I'm good, sir.
That's normally where I wake up, so let me show you where I go to sleep. F***ing closed doors. We aren't heating the outside, are we? Well, why? This is where the cats do the
Sir, would you mind turning on a light?
I'm trying to save electricity.
Okay, sir.
Anyways, right now I'm doing my laundry. This is the bed that I sleep on, and then down there's the one where I wake up. Very nice, right?
Sure thing, sir. Would you like to show us your other trailer?
Okay! Field trip!
tree in the way.
Fucking no.
What are you doing, sir?
What are you trying to do, fucking perv? No, the border's that way. Wanna go fucking Canada?
No, sir, we already have a filming team in Canada.
Where the are you filming? Strippers? Only reason I pee outside is that one doesn't have a toilet. That one is covered in white, sticky stuff. Rather not mention what happens in there.
Very well, sir.
This one's got more of a storage unit for my friends. And there's where I keep my bug spray, you know, keep away the dead bodies.
Excuse me, sir, did you just say dead bodies?
Fucking question it, eh?
Very well, sir.
Are you coming or what?
Sorry, sir.
Goddamn thing is full! Already? Nice little Xbox on TV. Window to go watch people out of. Like, stove doesn't work because stories. Sink. Mind you, this is kind of used by one of my friends right now, so. Up here is where all the ritual life comes. Literally. No. This one actually does have a toilet. Be wary, it's very hot in here right now.
Why is that, sir?
This thing isn't full.
What is that, sir?
Dehumidifier, you bitch.
Very well.
Oh, no. Can't put my thing to do this. I have to do it. Otherwise, my. I don't know, something will happen. Take that, Matt!
Sir, what's the major way of getting around this place?
Come with me and I'll show you.
Very well.
See this bad boy right here?
Yes?
Top of the line, flipping club cart. Here from a true golf course.
Hmm.
You know, 50 miles per hour.
Jeez, that's fast?
Hell yeah. But it doesn't have any spark plugs in it. You can tell. No. Wheel doesn't turn. So, I inherited this, three-wheel bicycle from my grandma. She recently died of COVID from China.
Ah,
So,
sorry about your loss, sir.
it's all about inheritance, you realize.
Oh, I see.
You know, the first time I met my grandma, she's leaning against the Ferris wheel, making it tip. Oh, whoa. You see that?
Yes?
Stretch out, kids. Come help me.
So what do you want me to do, sir?
Help.
Okay.
Preferably this decade.
So what's that mattress for?
You know what it's for. there's not being any blood stains on this, or else it might not hit the mattress firm. Oh. Undelightful piece of shit.
What are you talking to, sir?
Your mole.
So our bike's the main mode of transportation for the Gold Bar Nature Trails.
Just if you're crippled.
Are you a cripple, sir?
No, I go by the name El Vegetable.
Alright, so where are we going, sir?
The ladies. Your nunchucks! You have to pay me back! What's the deal?
Nunchucks!
No, my nunchucks.
I want a nunchuck! I want a nunchuck!
You see this? She spends all the money I give her on nunchucks and all these crazy dances.
They're amazing.
Who are you?
I don't have those skills. I'm a liger, bred for skills and magic.
Very well.
Yeah, right. My money.
My money don't jiggle jiggle. It rolls. I like to see you wiggle wiggle for sure. I don't want that.
Where's my money?
Hey, today.
Alright, so aren't you
See
going
the
to...
problem with this park? I told you about that donkey and the elephant earlier. That's the donkey.
Ah. Alright. So, do you live in Gold Bar Nature Trails?
No, I'm a guest.
Oh. What are your thoughts on this place?
My thoughts? It's paradise.
Mills. They spend all my money after that thing comes out, and they just leave. I don't know what to do. You have any ideas? I mean, like, that's what I've been downgraded to because of that. Do you find this any attraction at all? The only thing that this is good for is bringing them back. What the?
Alright, so where do we go now?
Watch the good ladies. Ladies in waiting are no longer waiting. Let's get a move before they turn 18. Come on. Backlash on those things. Wipe you out like you did my grandma. See right here? Cheap wallet. You get a gaming one too.
Hey, Grandpa! Can you grab my goggles? They are in my basket.
Wonder if her grandpa might let me tingle-wingle. Gotta love the Russians. Don't step on my heel. Go to sexy ladies, Hollander.
How the hell do you think I know why? All people.
We can get a good shot here. Right next to El F***o. There he is, El F***o. You know, if you ever see him, ask, what's his new boyfriend? You might know him. Who knows, he could be Patrick Stewart. damn it, no sexy lady. Could at least wear bikinis. See the dildo?